Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 really easy and of course delicious food processor recipes. When people ask me what's my favorite appliance, I always say the food processor, and I've been saying that for years. Right now I have a larger food processor, so I can do so much with it, but even if you have a small one, you can make these recipes. This video is sponsored by MegaFood, and for one of the recipes, I'm going to be using their nutrient booster powder. Now let's get started with our first recipe. We'll start with our Coco Day Energy Balls. We're using the MegaFood Daily Energy Nutrient Booster Powder, which helps sustain healthy energy levels. To a food processor, add pitted dates, toasted pecans, raw cacao powder, MegaFood Daily Energy Powder, and a pinch of salt. Blend until the ingredients are thoroughly blended and will hold together in your hands. Form the mixture into bite-sized balls. Grab a couple of these when you need a sweet snack. The wholesome ingredients will give you energy and fill you up. Roll each ball in coconut shreds. Then place them in the fridge to firm up or enjoy them right away for a boost. I love making these because I don't have to buy energy bars. They give me plenty of energy, especially because they have the MegaFood Daily Energy Powder, plus the dates, plus the nuts, and all that other good stuff like chocolate. So you can make these in place of an energy bar and you save yourself lots of money and they taste even better. Now let's make the burgers. The food processor will transform these colorful ingredients into delicious sweet potato burgers. Roughly chop half of an onion and bell pepper. Place the veggies into the food processor and pulse to chop. Place into a mixing bowl. Now, drop in garlic cloves, sunflower seeds, and lots of spices. Recipe links are in the description box. Blend until the mixture is finely chopped and grainy. Pour it into the bowl with the veggies. Rough chop the cilantro, especially if you're using the stems. Then place it into the food processor with the chickpeas. Pulse to chop, but keep some of the chickpea texture. Add it to the bowl. Now, simply add cooked sweet potato and okra into the mix, and stir it together with a spatula or a wooden spoon. Make sure all the ingredients are evenly blended. Form the batter into tight, uniform patties and place them onto a lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for 40 minutes, flipping halfway through. You can also pan fry or grill these. Serve on bread or a bun with tahini, kale, red onion, and avocado, or over a salad. These burgers are my favorite. They're so full of flavor. And I love how they hold together. You can even grill these. I've noticed over the years that a lot of vegan burgers just like fall apart because they don't have anything binding them together. Not with these. So make sure you make these. Even if you don't have a food processor, you can still make them, though it's a little bit more difficult. So I highly recommend buying one if you don't already have one. Now let's make the cauliflower rice. Again, I'm going to chop the cauliflower so that it can fit into the food processor. Also, rough chop the shallots. Place the veggies into the food processor, about half at a time, so that it will blend evenly. Pulse until it resembles rice. Once blended, saute the cauliflower in a little bit of oil or water or veggie stock. Cook until tender for about 8 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to add salt. This cauliflower can also be eaten raw. I love it as a replacement for rice in all sorts of dishes. I really love it with this eggplant curry. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know what recipe you are gonna try first with your food processor. I gotta say that cauliflower rice, even though it's super simple, it's really fun to make and it's so delicious and you can add it to anything. Anyways, let me know which one you love the best and which one you're gonna try first. And if you have more questions about the supplements that I take, make sure you check out my Vegan 101 video. I share the other supplements that I take, including other ones by MegaFood, of course. And don't miss the recipes down below. Everything is in the description box, along with some other videos that I've done using my food processor. So thank you guys for watching, and thanks to MegaFood for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.